for the part two of the video. So let's talk about her. Hi Claire, I know you've been waiting for this, and honestly, I don't know what to say anymore. Haha, joke lang. Claire, I knew you for 4 years and mag 5 years na this coming Junior July. Basta. Grabe no, 19 ka pa lang noon and 23 lang ako. Lol. Ngayon, 24 ka na, Claire. Years have passed, but you're still the same person I knew back then. I mean, personality-wise. Um, she was still the kind and supportive friend and slaps you back in reality at the same time. She's the same person that lends her ears and listens to your problems, giving you solutions like a mature person who sounds like older than you. Um, but despite that, Claire had her childish side, like any one of us a lot. She gets happy on little things, and she had her clingy side. Yan nga, clingy na friend pero di nagpapatouch. Char. Medyo isip pata din naman ako. Uh, so get along on that side most of the time. Um, she's a competitive individual. She loves challenges and risks that pushes her more to achieve something. She has this confidence that makes you wanna say, wow. Pero sinasabi niya ngayon, tinatamad na siya sa mga bagay-bagay. Ayaw na niya mag-effort ng sobra kasi wala na siya ni energy. Hi, pero wag kayong maniwala dyan. Tsk, tsk. But it's not all sunny days because this girl has her rough days in life. Being a kind person she is, some people took advantage of that. Oh, let me mention her love life. But nah, it's her story to tell. But she always saying na malas niya sa pag-ibig. Ay, saksi lang naman ako doon. Pero tanungin niyo lang siya, okay? Okay. But despite that, this girl never really wished them bad. I really admired their attitude. She never took revenge on them. Pero hoy, ba't niyo ba ako ginaganto? Pero hoy, ba't niyo ginaganyan si Claire? Sundukin ko kayo dyan, ah. Ano ba pwede kong sabihin? She's tall, beautiful, has beautiful curly hair, beautiful nails, because she likes nail art. Talented, intelligent, achiever, competitive, video gamer. Char lang yun. Fashionista, kikay, but and bubbling random stuffs. Please to say kung may nasabi akong mali dito. Yeah. What do I want to say to her? Okay. She knows what I will say. I guess. Hi, Claire, kung saan ka masaya, dun ako. Even though I know some of your risks really sound so risky. Alam mo naman yun eh. Malaki ka na. Pero as your friend, I'm truly worried about that. Pero nagiging okay naman din sa huli. Palakasan na lang ng angels. Meron ka namang angel hope at your side. Eh, char. Di ba husay magdasal? Claire, I really love you so much. You introduced me to things I never knew how to. Thank you for being there for me too. I know you had my back too. Pero unta dili ni maparehas o bad friends na ako. Friendship, oy. Mahilag jud ko. I know nag-Facebook kag problems karon pero kaya mo yan. This year started so wild and there are still 11 more months to go. No, magkita pa sa July ba? So madagdagan na pud ni. What else? Is to take care of yourself too. Don't push so hard. Sometimes you need to break. I would like to feel bad whenever you did nothing for a day because we all do need that. That's the end of my message. Love you. Oh God, that's so very long. It took me 5 minutes to read half of it. But I guess it's fine. Okay, so let's go to this part. So, uh, other thing what happened that time is meet ko yung Mistas, which is Kuya Proy, Atilian, and Hannah. They had we both have group of friends, and then Claire decided to make stars. So the message here is fun fact: we met them first before talking with them online. Yeah, nakita namin sila before namin kausapin. Thanks to Claire, she introduced us to these amazing people. Yeah, I never knew them if it wasn't for Claire, though. So I'm just very happy for that. Okay, so nakamunta kami nila Marvin at Sheen sa birthday ni Ate Lian. Pero nauna sila Sheen. Initial plan was to wait for me pero medyo late na kami nagbiyahe nila mama and papa. And so nauna sila. They surprised Ate Lian with flowers. And good thing na kinig kami na Nabi, kay Nabi. She really likes it. Yay! First time ko mamit si Hannah and Alak agad yung pinag-usapan namin. Which is siya din yung planner ng grupo. Hindi na nila yung tulugan yung cards kasi dinaldal na siya and inaubos yung alak kasi kinain na kami ng chismis. Nabi kami ng 4 a.m. and it was my first time mabot ng 4 a.m. sa pool. And so the place looks so cool pero kadiliman lang makikita mo sa gabi. Sa umaga naman makikita mo talaga yung magandang tanawin, char. Grabe ang saya nila kasama. And siya tapos yun, ay masaya din kayo kasama kami. Oh my god, that's really wrong. So I won't read this part because oh my god, it's too long. Ah, it's an I still think it's originally special someone, but I changed that I sell Jade the Great because this person is so great. Just read this part whenever you wanted to. And yeah, this person really likes zodiac signs, so and she's a Capricorn, guys. Very, very Capricorn. Okay, so I gave her my graduation picture and it ended up on her cover sa phone. And so she took selfies and that's super cute. um yeah, she takes me everywhere in my picture. Yeah, not literally me, but it's really cute now. Ay nako. Fun fact then, I asked her picture pero hindi niya binigay. So, hindi ko siya nailagay sa anywhere sa phone. Guys. And ito yung songs na pinalagay niya sa akin here, which is yung Good Thing ni Kilani. Yeah, that's it. Hello. Tapos yung Conceited. And this is my choice of song. Your nonsense makes that's the end of the video. So guys, enjoy.